Hello everyone, I am Shivali Yadav from Banarsi Das Chandiwala Institute of Physiotherapy. Today I will demonstrate some exercises to improve our body posture. Maintaining good posture is very important as it strengthens our muscle and increase their flexibility. Also improves our balance and it reduces stress over the ligament, muscle and joints, thus decreasing the chances of injury. Good posture also makes you look good. In this modern era, there are many factors that affects our body posture, like living a sedentary lifestyle while doing minimum to no physical activities, working whole day on a computers, and taking hours and hours of online classes, especially during this pandemic situation. Slouching while sitting, having bad posture while sleeping, continuously using smartphones for gaming and chatting. All these factors weakens our muscles and affects our body alignment. Bad posture has many side effects like difficulty in breathing, poor circulation, headache, neck pain, eye strain, back pain, POTS, belly and fatigue. These effects are most commonly found. Many of us or most of the people can relate with them as it interferes their day-to-day activities. So by adding few exercises and stretching in your daily routine can improve our posture. Sit straight. Now slowly bend your head over to the other side as you trying to touch your ear to the shoulder. Now place your same side hand on the head and gently pull it towards your shoulder. At the same time, place your other hand to the back to prevent elevation of opposite shoulder. You can feel good stretch at the side of your neck. Hold the stretch for 20 seconds. Now relax and complete the stretch on the other side also. Do 5 repetitions of each side for 3 times in a day. You can do this exercise while sitting or standing as you feel comfortable. Sit straight, look straight ahead with your ears directly over the shoulder. Now place your finger on the chin. Without moving your finger, pull your head straight back until you feel a good stretch over the back of your neck. As you do this exercise, there should be some separation between chin and your finger. Hold for 5 seconds. Now relax. Do 10 repetitions for 4 to 5 times in a day. Firstly, get on quadruped position. Now, slowly bring your hips back to the feet and stretch your both arms over your head. As you do this, you can feel the stretch over your glutes, quadriceps and shoulder. Hold the stretch for 10 to 20 seconds. Now relax. Do 5 repetitions for 3 to 4 times in a day. Take a quadruped position. Now inhale, look up while you extend your spine downward towards the ground. Hold for 5 seconds. Now exhale, lift your spine towards the ceiling and tuck your chin into your chest. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat these movements for 1 minute. Lie on your back, bend your knees at 90 degree, feet flat on the ground or the mattresses, palm facing downward. Now inhale, press your upper back and feet into the mattress and elevate your pelvis. Hold for 5 seconds. Then relax. Do 5 repetitions for 3 times in a day. Make sure you have enough support for your neck, back and thighs while you sit. Have some small intervals in between while working on computers or taking online classes. Don't sit or stand for longer period of time. Don't overdo exercises or stretching. Don't try to overcorrect your posture. Try spending less time on your computers and smartphones